So guys, good morning. This is our almusal, breakfast for today. It's kuchinta with this one, the brown one is the yema. It tastes like sweet. And this is the coconut, coco. This one, and meron tayong puto with the yema again. And syempre, our Milo every day. We're going to eat, everybody. Okay, let's go. We're going to eat today, okay? Ito, sa kanya talaga tayo. Hindi ako makain ng kutsinta. Hindi masyado. Dito tayo sa sa puto. This puto is made by flour, I think. Made by flour. Pero hindi siya hindi ito bigas no? Hindi siya bigas kasi there's a puto that made from the rice. Pero ito, it's not made by the rice. It's made by the flour. Let's go, let's eat. Thank you Lord for this food. So good that. It tastes sweet. Okay. I'm not going to eat by this part because it hurts. I'm going to eat this part. No, puto. Pero mo. Maingay na background music. Background music ng kaldero. Perfect. Sweet versus sweet. Sweet in everything. Puto. This puto, pwede rin siyang almusal, merienda. Masarap din ito pag may merong, ano tawag din? Nyog. If you have the coconut, it's delicious. You know, sometimes they made by every kind of color. Sometimes pink, white, blue. This one is white. Okay. Diba no? Si Em, shoutout kay Ems. Na Ems LTC, gumagawa siya ng mga puto, mga lima. Favorite ko talaga ng mga ganito, mga kakanin. Sa puto, sakto lang. Perfect. Perfect. Sweet to the sweet power. Tawag dito sa dalawang to. Sweet to the sweet power. Kasi para silang matamis. Wala tayong maalat for today. So wala tayong pang-contrast. Patatlo na ako. I need to eat because I'm going to drink medicine. That's why. Yep. Ano to yan? Binibenta ko dito yung sa mga, parang taho. Tapos nakalagay yan doon. Yung parang sila magtataho. So puput-put sila na. Put-put. Like that. You know the taho? Like that. Put-put. Taho. It's perfect. Yan. Okay. Nakanya. Sabaw lang. Okay. That's a noodles. There's a salty food. The noodles.
I want to.
Matapon. Parang ano. Perfect.
Milo.
Perfect kasi maalat. Salty.
Mama, ako din.
Okay, later again guys. I'm done with my eating. I'm only at 2 pieces. Thank you guys for watching.
Bye-bye.